Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to make viral TikTok videos in 2026 using the newest tricks that the algorithm absolutely loves right now. So if you want more views, more engagement and a better chance of landing on the For You page, keep watching till the end. So in the first step, you need to start with a hook that stops the scroll. So your first 1 to 2 seconds decide everything. So you can use any kind of shock, curiosity, or a bold statement. I will add some of the bold statements here in the description too. So if your viewers don't scroll away, TikTok pushes your content to more people. The second thing that you need to keep in mind is to make your video fast, and your video should tell a story. So viral videos have a beginning, middle and payroll all in under 10 to 20 seconds. So you need to cut out the pauses, add quick scenes to keep the video moving. The shorter videos often get higher completion rates, which boosts the virality. Then you need to simply use the trending formats and the audios. Over here on TikTok, you can look for the option of music. Then you can just choose that particular music which is going viral. You can also incorporate that music in your own video, and it will also going to promote your content that fits the current viral format. You can also add the on-screen text and the captions. So most of the viewers watch with audio low. So text helps keep the attention. So you can use the powerful words like shock, secret, watch this, POV or hacks. And this also helps your video to show up in the search result. At the end, you can ask your viewers to simply just follow or watch again or something. You need to give a call to action, and make sure that your video is also playing it in the loop. So by keeping all of these things in mind, you can make your TikTok video in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.